Alright guys, today what I'm going to show you is a text encryptor that I developed in C++. It just uses the concept of a Caesar cipher, and what it does is just shifts a letter up or down the alphabet to a certain number. A certain number of times. And in this case, the alphabet would be the acai chart. Okay, no, here's the code for it. It's pretty self-explanatory. I even included comments there. Alright, now time to test the program. Alright, now right here what I have is a text file. It's called random words. And what we're gonna do to this text file is we're gonna use our program to encode this. So as you can see, this is the initial state of the file. Now let's try running the program. Alright, so since the name of the file was random words, I'm gonna put it in here. Let me adjust that so you can see right there. Alright, so randomwords.txt. And as you can see, this is the content of the file. It's all readable. Now, let's say I wanted to encrypt the file. So I'm going to enter 1 to encrypt. And right here we have our key. Let me shift that up. Okay. Right there. As you can see, after encrypting, we are given a key. What the key does is actually the key. It goes through an algorithm and then it gives us the actual number of shifts in the alphabet that we made. So here you can see not the text is not readable at all. So we're gonna save this key since it's going to be important. I create an algorithm for it to be decoded and then use that back into the program, which is decoded into a smaller number, which will represent the number of shifts. So right here, we're going to save the key here so we don't forget. And now we're going to rerun the program. Actually, I want to save this first, so get a file to open. So as you can see here, it's saved to encrypt that text. And I'm going to say I want to continue. We're going to enter the file name, which is encrypt.txt. And before I do this, let me actually show you what encrypt.txt looks like. You can see this is encrypt.txt. It's just like a bunch of mumbo jumbo. Now let's go to encrypt.txt. Let's go to the program and open encrypt.txt. Here. And now we want to decrypt it. Actually, decode this text file. So we're going to hit decrypt, which is 2. And the key, if you guys remember, we put it down here. It's 123657114. Again, 123657114. Let me just double check and move the white space there. We're gonna decrypt it. Should give us a message in return. And there you go. We have the message back now. And we're gonna save the output. As you can see, there are like some letters here or characters that look a bit weird inside the console. But actually in the text file, it looks normal. So we're gonna save this just to show you. Say no so we can close the program. Okay, and here to show you the text file. So remember, we first started at random words, and random words has this. Just a normal bunch of text. Now when we go to encrypt. It's the mumbo jumbo stuff. And then once we go to decrypt, there, everything looks normal. And as you can see, there are no characters there that look weird. Just has to do with the console. Okay, and let me show you what happens when we enter a wrong key. So I'm gonna run the program again. I'm gonna enter encrypt because that's an encrypted file. So encrypt.txt. And if I were to decrypt it with a wrong key, let's say like that, it's not gonna show you the right text file or right letters, words, and everything. Right, and that's it. That's the text encryptor that I made with C++. Thank you.